everyone, welcome to Draw with Bee. Today we are doing another Christmas drawing, so get your pencils and markers ready. We are going to draw a cute puppy in a Christmas box. So let's get started. I am going to do the first line down like that. Then we're going to do one up like this and the other one the same. So bring it up just like that. Then we're going to bring another line connecting these two together and another one up here. Amazing. Next, what I'm going to do is connect these lines together, but we're not going to do them all the way across because I'm going to do some cute little paws. So I'm going to do a cute little paw here, do a little oval circle, then I'm going to do the same on the other side. Another one just like this, and we'll do the toes after. Then we'll connect these lines just up, just like that. Next, what I'm going to do is this cute puppy's little face. So we're going to start by a big round face, just like this. There we go. Then what I'm going to do is some cute little ears. So we're going to bring it up, around and down. There we go. Look at that. Then I'm going to do across two little hairs, just like that. Super cute. Then we're going to do the other ear. So we're going to do up, down, and across, just like that. Oh, it's so cute. There we go. So now we have two cute little ears. Then the next thing to do, make those circles just come down like that. Next, big nose, down, up, just like that. Then I'm going to make him super smiley, just like this. Two lines, just like that. And then we're going to do his little tongue hanging out. Super cute. Do some dots. We'll go over them with marker afterwards. Next, I'm going to do this puppy's cute little eyes. So I'm going to bring them a circle like that and then down like that. Then the other one. Circle or curved. Then up and down, just like that. How cute is he? I think this puppy's going to be so cute when we're finished. Then I'm going to do two reflection dots. One there, one there, one there, one there. How cute. Then we'll colour them in with the marker afterwards in black, and then I'm going to do two little eyebrows. Cute. Next, we're going to bring the box across, join it up just like that, because he's sitting in the box, and we can do his toes. So we're going to do two little lines in like that, and then we're going to do two little lines just like that. So easy. Then I'm going to do some ribbon that's across the side of the box. So I'm going to bring these lines up just like that. And then I'm going to do two here, all the way down. So super cute. Now you can put anything in this present box. You could do a pussycat, you could do a bunny, you could do a teddy bear, you could do anything. There we go. And then we do the two lines just like that. Down, down, and bring it across. Ah, isn't he gorgeous? I'm going to fast forward this bit, colour him in, go over with marker, so I'll see you back soon. Welcome back. I hope you've enjoyed colouring in your special Christmas puppy in a box. I have added some extra details with some amazing glitter pens on the ribbon. I've added some shading in with a darker green to create the shadows on the Christmas box. I hope you have enjoyed colouring in and drawing your Christmas puppy today. And remember, keep drawing, keep practicing, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye.